हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू आवर न्यू चैनल स्टेनो वाले सर। मैं आपको डिक्टेशन प्रोवाइड करने जा रहा हूँ। बी रेडी फॉर इट। स्टार्ट। मिस्टर डिप्टी चेयरमैन, आई हैव मूव्ड एन अमेंडमेंट एंड while doing so, I have noted that the bill has been passed by the other house stove. I have got to make out a very good case for referring the bill to a select committee stove, as has been mentioned by the Honorable Minister and Honorable Member Shri Desai. The Forward Markets Regulation Act 1952 has been in operation for a number of years, and control have been imposed on a number of commodities through a number of recognized associations. Stop. The powers that are now proposed to be vested in the Commission are very drastic, and it is for the House to decide whether such wide powers are at all necessary. Stop. The main ground on which these powers are so to be taken, for which the Act is to be amended, is to curb speculation. Stop. No one will object to this laudable object, that mere speculation which forces prices up should be checked. Stop. But the question is whether that object can be served without the other factors which can control the price line. Stop. As you know, prices cannot be forced up merely by speculation. Stop. If the supply is more than the demand, or if the supply is sufficient, whatever may be the speculation, it may be possible within a few days to reduce the prices. Stop. But prices cannot go up beyond a reasonable limit. Stop. Para. The powers that are now proposed to be given are very drastic. Stop. In the Forward Contracts Regulation Act, ready delivery contract is defined as a contract which provides for delivery of goods within 11 days. Stop. I do not know the sanctity of 11 days. Stop. But if somebody delivers the goods even within 12 days, only a day late, it becomes bad. Stop. Even by the mutual consent of the parties also, the 11 days cannot be extended even by a single hour, and the contract would become illegal. It cannot be performed. Stop. Similarly, a non-transferable specific delivery contract is a contract where it cannot be transferred. Stop. But a transferable specific delivery contract is a contract which is not a non-transferable specific contract, and it can be transferred from person to person. Stop. In the case of the transferable specific delivery contract also, the Commission wants to take power to limit the number of Transfers stop. That is to say, a transferable contract also cannot be transferred if the Commission so directs.